Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through a quick and easy step-to-step process on how to activate Westpac Debit Card. To activate your Westpac Debit Card, you have a couple of options. You can activate your Westpac Debit Card using the Westpac application on your mobile devices or with the help of online banking. So let's go ahead and do it with online banking option. First of all, open your web browser and go to the URL box and type in westpac.com.au and press enter to end up in the official website for Westpac. From the main homepage, go to the upper right hand corner and make sure that you've selected online banking option. You can select between business banking or personal banking options according to your account type and click on sign in. Now, in the sign in page, you will need to enter your customer ID followed by your online banking account's password. If you don't remember your customer ID or password, get help by clicking Forgot Customer ID or the password link at the bottom of the screen. After filling in your credentials correct, if you'd like the system to remember your customer ID, check on the little box right under password. If you're using a public or shared device, make sure to leave the box unchecked and click sign in. Soon after you sign into your account, navigate to the Service tab and select Card Services. Click Activate Card option and enter your debit card number, expiry date and choose Activate. And you will then be able to add and activate your Westpac debit card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.